Malmo. Sweden is where I want to go. So I believe it's these ones. Purchase tickets to Sweden here. Okay. And we're heading to Sweden from Copenhagen Airport. Now, I don't know how the tickets work, but hopefully it's really straightforward. Okay. Malmo. We want Malmo. This is our train. Is this ours? I think so. To Malmo? Yeah, thank you. Nice and cozy. Where should I sit? Here. Direction the train is going. Hopefully this way. So I'm currently on the way to Malmo. Just at the airport. Apparently this train takes about 20 minutes. It's a very dull day, it's very cold. There has been some snow, but I'm really looking forward to this journey. Yeah. These trains are super efficient, super fast. Right, that's all. I don't know where we are now. But you can see some snow on the ground.
härvade med nedsatt hastighet på grund av att vi har ett långsammare tåg framför oss.
So folks, welcome to Sweden. Here we are. Malmo Central Station. Supermarket, cafe, buses. Folks, I'm only here for the coffee. And then I'm heading back to Copenhagen. But yeah, I thought when in Copenhagen, you really gotta do Sweden. It is so close. So 2 countries in one day. Absolutely amazing. The smell from all these little cafes and restaurants. Wow. Here we are. Wow. Welcome to Malmo, folks. Now, those things, trolley buses, or whatever they're called, I think. Central Station. No, are they not called like glider buses? I got them in Dublin. Not Dublin, sorry, Belfast. Awesome. Right. So, we need to go find a place for some coffee and I need to actually get a fridge magnet. A tradition, oh my word, a tradition that we have that every new place we visit we collect a fridge magnet. But wow, it is very cold. Very cold. Oh, what? Oops. The Savoy Hotel. Oh. Okay, so there was some snow on the train on the way here. Nothing here at the minute, but it really is dull. Really dull. Yeah. So, shall we... Where are we going to go for a coffee? That over there looks like a square or something. Let's head over there. I've got about an hour here, so let's do this. My plan was to literally just come here for a little bit of coffee and a donut or something, just to say, do you know what? I visited Sweden and Denmark in a day. And they're gritting the pavements. Don't see that in East Lothian. Right, what's this? Literally need to just find the closest coffee shop. That's my aim for here. Literally no more than an hour, and I'm going back to Denmark. So team-tastic. Wow. So this actually reminds me, the architecture, it reminds me of Poznan. And for those that don't know, I'm new to the channel. I lived in Poznan for a bit, 6 months in fact. I taught English. But yeah, this actually really does remind me of Poznan. Stunning. Okay, so Espresso House. I did say that I'm gonna have to find a coffee because I've not got long. There we go. What is that over there? Let's just have a look at that then. Gotta go back in there and get a coffee. But what's this? This building is stunning. It's got loads of flags outside it. If anyone in the comments can tell me what this is. Oh my word, it is cold. But yeah, what an absolutely stunning building. Wow. Stena. I don't know what this is. But Stena, is that not the ferries? Wow. Okay, literally guys, I'm here for about an hour, so I'm gonna jump in to Espresso House, just over there, and get myself a wee coffee to warm up. We're gonna head back over to Denmark. Well folks, I made it. Here I am in Malmo at the Espresso House. Flat white, stunning coffee. What it is actually really cool. So I'm going to finish this and then I'm going to head back to the train station and back into Denmark. First of all though, I need to get a fridge magnet. That is tradition. I really need a fridge magnet. So, I'm pretty sure I'll find one around about here. Looks quite beautiful. But, yeah. It is just approaching 25 past 11. My flight leaves tonight just after 8 o'clock. No, 9 o'clock. So I've got a fair amount of time. I'm hoping to do quite a few touristy things whilst in Denmark, but yeah, I'm not going to stick to it. I'm just going to walk about. I'm not going to have a plan. Let's just see where the where it takes us. And, let's just do that. So. It is just, as I said, after after 25 past 11. I'm going to head over to the train station via somewhere for a fridge magnet and back into Denmark and we'll take it from there. But cheers. Baltic. Right, let's have a look. Souvenir, there we go. That didn't take long. do they have fridge magnets? Yes, they do. Right, in we go. Kill two birds with one stone. You get Copenhagen one too. Okay. Hello. Thank you.
That's
Thank
all?
you.
15. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
You want a receipt?
No, thank you. Bye bye.
Nice day.
You too. Bye bye. Mission accomplished. Okay, so onwards. Back to Denmark we go. Sweden, it's been amazing. Southern Cross. Actually, to be fair, it is not as cold as I thought it would be. It really isn't. But it's been an awesome hour. Time to cross the border. Love these bendy buses. Central Station, folks. Central Station here in Malmo. Okay. Where do I go? One B, folks, apparently takes you to Copenhagen. So let's go. Oh. Scotland. Right, so I need to get myself a ticket. But I don't know how. Well, let's see what happens. Oh, there's a train. Is this from Copenhagen? No, I don't know. I don't think it's that one. I don't think it's this one. I just love these images on the wall. It's like a moving train.